Okay, for my Vapi build challenge submission and first voice AI automation ever, I decided to go real practical and build out a front desk receptionist for a dental office. Now I got a little twist for you at the end, but before I get to that, I'm going to go ahead and walk through the main demo.
Hello, thank you for calling Gold Star Dental. My name is Maria. ¿Prefieres continuar en inglés o en español?
In English, please.
Great. How can I help you today?
Yeah, can I schedule an appointment for a filling, please? June 25 at 11 a.m. Yes, it's Aaron Adams, 360-123-4567. No, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, can I cancel an appointment, please? Yeah, June 20 at 7 a.m. It's a filling for Mike Smith. Yeah, can I reschedule an appointment, please? Yeah, it's June 13. It's an extraction for Josh Smith at 12 p.m. June 20 at 7 a.m.
Your extraction appointment.
In addition to scheduling, the voice AI agent can also answer basic FAQs. So let's go ahead and put it to the test. Yeah, can you tell me what your business hours are?
Okay, our business hours are Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Friday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., and Saturday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. We are closed on Sunday. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, what are all of your services?
We offer root canals, cleanings, x-rays, fillings, teeth whitening, extractions, crowns, implants, veneers, bonding, and sedation. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What does your teeth whitening cost?
The cost of teeth whitening is $250. Is there anything else?
Yeah, what payment methods do you accept?
We accept cash, checks, and all major debit and credit cards. Do you have any other questions?
Yeah, do you accept state?
No, we do not accept state insurance. We do work with several other insurance providers, including Anthem, Guardian, Emeritus, Cigna Dental, and United Healthcare. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it. Thank you. Okay, now it's time for the twist. Fun fact about me, I took a little bit of Spanish in high school, but I do not speak Spanish. So far from fluent. I know a few words. That's it. But for my first voice AI automation, I decided that not only was I going to build an agent that speaks English, but one that speaks Spanish as well. So I'm going to walk you through a demo of that now. Okay, I wanted to jump in real quick and give you a little bit of context. Since I don't speak Spanish, I decided to use Google Translate to speak on my behalf. So what I would do is I would take the text from the voice AI agent, put it into Google Translate to ensure that it worked fine, and then I would shut my mic off and type in my response in English and then have it relay it back to the voice AI agent using my speakerphone. So when you hear these little thumps, that's just me shutting my mic off.
En español.
Perfecto.
One other thing, since you can see the voice AI agent speaking to me in Spanish and then me copying and pasting it into Google Translate, I'm not going to go ahead and bump up the volume for the agent for the rest of the call.
¿Puedo programar una cita para una extracción? Once de junio a las 7 de la mañana. María García 360-123-4567.
Okay, so funny thing, I go in to edit this and I realize that my last bit of video that I recorded yesterday didn't record the audio for some reason. Odds are, when I was doing the Spanish portion of it, I shut my mic off as I was doing so that I could relay the Spanish translation back to the agent, and I left it off and it just talked to myself. But I hope you learned something from that. I hope there are some good takeaways. I know for me, trying to turn this around in the span of a week, having never done a voice AI agent before, trying to do Google Calendar scheduling, which I've never done before, doing all that inside N8N with one AI agent, which is a bit tricky. It would have been a lot easier just to do separate workflow chains, one for scheduling, one for rescheduling, one for canceling, and so on. And it would have been a lot easier to use Vapi's native Google Calendar integration also. But I really wanted to kind of push myself here. But if anything, I really hope it kind of inspires you just to ship. This thing is full of bugs. My video is full of bugs. I can't speak Spanish. Even that wasn't perfect, but I shipped it, and now I have a bunch of notes to apply to version 2. Version 2, I will actually do it, even though I don't have an immediate use case for it or a place, to push it to prod. But I'm going to get it done because there was just so much to learn from actually mapping it out to actually having, dealing with the schema on the N8N side, the prompting. Prompting has to be spot on, especially with having the agent do so many tasks, within just that one part of the workflow. So anyway, leave me your feedback, comments, any questions below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.